guys, so welcome back. Today we're going to work on the 80. We've got some ARB side steps to fit in preparation for a front bull bar. We're going to have the brush bars to go on, but today just side steps. I actually got these second hand, although they're brand new, they're second hand, because the guy never actually fitted them on his 80. So quite looking forward to getting these on. We are working in the front garden today, so we'll probably hear some road noise. Apologies about that. I had to buy these because it used to have the stock steps on, but on a recent trip that we did earlier in the year, they got knocked off.
Go on! Go on!
And I've been a bit hesitant of sort of going off road without any protection on the sills, so these are going to be pretty cool to have. And I like fancy ARB stuff because I'm a bit of a posh boy. Let's get stuck into it. So yeah, excuse the messy front lawn, but anyway, they come in sort of sections and everything gets bolted on. Obviously, bag of bits here, and I reckon I can do the whole job with just a socket set, but we'll see. Now, it's good to know, obviously, you get instructions with it, all the bolts in a bag, little rubber caps for the ends, which I'm using as storage for bolts, but also these two are different sizes. Essentially, you've got one for the front and one for the back, because the one on the back sits on a slight angle and the one at the front sits almost vertical. So look out for those. And obviously the instructions are pretty detailed. There is pictures in the back, but it's so straightforward and easy to understand that you don't really need the pictures. So what I've just had to do here is take these brake lines out the holder and put this mount over, well, under the brake lines and around the chassis. This would be so much easier if this bloody truck was lifted, but on the front it works slightly different. So we've got this bolt here that holds the brake lines in. We just take it out, lift the brake lines up, U-bolt goes under, and then ARB sends you this handy little spacer to space out this bracket so that metal doesn't touch metal. Let's get on it. So one side is on. So well designed, it meets up with everything. So next is just putting the inserts in here all the way along, and that's one step done. Absolutely solid. Pretty happy with those. This bit will stay open-ended, I think, at the minute. So essentially what goes on here is obviously the bar that comes up and follows the arch to the bull bar. Now, everything on here is sort of left and right-sided, so just make sure everything obviously lines up, and all this little bolt holes, just make sure they all line up when you fit them. Dead easy. Now, we're going to bolt it on. Honestly, whenever you want it, it never appears. It just runs off and hides. Can't find my 10mm spanner anywhere. So I'm going to have to use one of these adjustables, which is going to take bloody forever. So I'm not going to film it, but essentially we're just going to bolt this down. Dead easy. Not so easy when you've got to use one of these. Now, I don't think this can be an official fit without some stickers being put on. ARB send you some stickers. I think they go here. They could go at the front, but I'm going to put them in the back because that's kind of where I want them. All the other stickers are going at the back, so it's going to be official. It's an ARB product on the 80. First one. That's it. Dead easy to fit. Nice piece of kit. Done the shake test. Everything shakes together, which is the main thing. Have a look at these, see what you think. Just fitted some camp lights up here. One at the front, and then this one at the back. They're not going to be too bright, they'll be bright enough, but I reckon I'm going to fit some more at the front and have them sort of angling out to the side. So let me know what you think about those, and I'll catch you next week when we're going to finish raptoring the 80. So we've done the roof, done the bonnet, and now we're going to do the whole rest of the car. So I'm going to finish up here, and yeah, I'll catch you all next week. Until then, guys.